Assemble demo. Open the packing case. Take out the document. Probe. Adapter. Power line. Screwdriver. Probe sheath. And the host. Instrument basic structure. On the left of the machine, there are power switch and a charger interface. On the back, there are USB port, video port, VGA port, and a battery. On the right is a probe socket. Instrument installation. About the probe connection, please plug and unplug probe must be in the shutdown mode. Lock up the probe after plugging the probe. About the adapter connection, insert one end to the charging port. Insert another end to the power line. Then access the power supply. Display interface. Turn on the power switch on the left of the machine. Enter into the operating interface. For the top is the hospital, name, ID, date, and time. For the right is the current parameters. Use the trackball and set key to adjust the parameters. For the right below is the DIPS, current workstation, and the measurement result. On the left of the panel is the total gain and temp gain control. Adjust the total gain and temp gain control to get a better image. On the left below of the screen is the current battery level. When the battery flashes, please charge the battery immediately. Switch off the power switch to turn off the system.